Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to label your IR spectrum in Word. Copy and paste your IR, JPEG or GIF picture to Word. Then you will insert text box to add in your text, insert shapes like circles to identify your absorption peak. So the first thing to do if you have a spectrum of an unknown is determine the units of unsaturation. You can access a table from Sigma-Aldrich. Link in D2L where you go to Lecture and IR Tables. This will give you the Sigma-Aldrich table of IR data. Scrolling through, find the functional group absorption. Note the CH of aldehyde has two peaks. Let's start fresh. First, find the units of unsaturation. Use CnH2n plus 2. This is the saturated formula. Subtract this from the target formula to give a difference of 10 hydrogens. Then you divide by 2 to give 5 units of unsaturation. About 1700 centimeters minus 1, this is the carbonyl absorption. We could identify this exact position using the peak table or peak finder. Remember, this is an absorption band, so that percent transmittance will be very, very low. Percent transmittance is 4, and this is actually at 1703 centimeters to minus 1. To write this, insert text box, then to move the text box, click on Layouts and choose in front of text. For all other text needed, just copy and paste, delete and add new text. For an IR spectrum, there may be similar structures that contain the same functional group. Mass spectroscopy and proton NMR and carbon-13 NMR can give further information as to the actual correct structure.